Okay, this is Praveen here. I'm Arish's father. So to me, what I felt is the course has been structured, over 3 days, pretty much well. The reason being, yes, there have been kids who know Scratch because that's being taught in their schools as well, like in case of Arish as well. Like, but when it was just a platform to then introduce the other concepts like AI, ML, NLP, and stuff like that, right? So probably that has generated that curiosity in them, and I could make out because for the last 2 days, not the first day, because yesterday and even this morning, he was curious and he was asking about a few things which probably I could correlate on my workspace as well. Though I couldn't add much value or add, information there, but at least what I can see is that has generated that curiosity, and probably if that remains, and I hope it does, it would definitely add value to them in future because that in the world where we are, probably these concepts are to be there and probably help them even to apply them as they grow along.